right, everybody, Scrapping with Grandpa. I'm back again. I just want you to know that my videos aren't like a lot of these other videos telling you how to do things and how you're going to make the most money on scrapping and all this kind of stuff by piecing it out. Tin Man Scrapper, he does a good job at that. Dumpster diving, don't do a lot of that. There's other guys, Mike the Scavenger, he's awesome at that. So you can watch his videos for that. Mine is, all right, I got interrupted. Somebody wanted some business cards for scrapping. So anyways, what I was getting at was I don't do a lot of them videos. I do taking apart videos. Like you can watch me take apart a lot of things, and I've got a lot of things to start taking apart, and I've been working on my work shed. This is a kind of fairly new video channel. As you'll see, I don't have many subscribers, so hit that subscribe button, help me out. I'm trying to transition from, like I say, roofing to scrapping. 58, my health isn't as good as what it used to be. But this is what I do. I put my name out on social media and all the local groups in my area, and I say, Scrapping with Grandpa. If you have any scrap metal, give me a call, we'll pick it up. So I got a couple calls. And what I do is I just write it down on a piece of paper here. I mean, somebody will say scrap metal with an address. Sometimes I get a phone number, sometimes I don't. See, West Trace, scrap. West Beach, scrap. And I just write it down and check them off as I go to them. This is one that I'm at right now. And they've given me 3 lawnmowers and a bicycle. It looks like a heater. Most of the time they work, sometimes they don't. They also gave me an old yard machine here. And he told me he did not use this last year, but he has, the year he did use it, he put new belts on it, which they don't look too old. Put new blades on it, changed the carburetor, and a few other things. And he said it's a little bit temperamental. Tires don't hold air. We can get new tires. So I'm thinking, well, I need a lawnmower. Something like this probably run about $2,500, maybe $2,000. I don't know, brand new. So I'm thinking, even if I had to spend a few $100 to get it fixed, it would be worth it. So I'm not going to scrap everything I get. I don't. Some things I sell. Sometimes I get repaired and sell. Sometimes I use it myself. So this one here, I'm going to try to put to use. All right, I'm off to my next one. Scrapping with Grandpa. Went out today, and this is what I came back with. Normally I take them mowers, to be honest with you, and get that out of it, but I've got so much to pick up tomorrow. I really need to just get this load unloaded instead of unloading and then reloading, and that's what I'm gonna end up doing. My scrap yard closes at 4, and I've got an awesome scrap yard in Leland, North Carolina. So if you're ever gonna do any scrapping, drop your stuff off if you're a local scrapper at Leland, and they'll appreciate you like crazy. So we're heading to the scrap yard. All right, so we made it back to the scrap yard again today. This is Friday. I'm going to, normally I do my run on Saturday morning and load up on Friday, but I'm gonna unload today because I have so much more to pick up tomorrow, it's not even funny. So I see they don't have a magnet. They got some breaker thing, so I'm gonna just dump this bad boy. I got her handled. That's the good thing. I got a dump trailer, because if you didn't have one and they don't have their magnet out working that day, you unload by hand. I say let her rip. Let her rip. We got a nice dump trailer. I love this thing. I'm so happy to have it fully charged up. And away we go. Scrapping with Grandpa, dumping again. I'm getting that put all over my trailer, by the way. Instead of trailer rental, which is what I used to do, I'm gonna get Scrapping with Grandpa. Mean machine right there, son. Normally I just dump it. He's gonna clean up my mess. When I dump, he's gonna take it away. He came over to me. He came over to me and said, I remember you from back in the day. We did a roof together. So he remembers me. Like I said, I used to be a roofer before I was a scrap guy. Got a cleaner. Appreciate you, brother. One of the places that I went scrapping to, I actually went inside and sat down with him for about 30 minutes, showed him my channel, showed him my other channel, my roofing channel, Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. I showed him that channel, and come on, buddy. There you go. Guy's not sure what to do, I guess. And he subscribed to both. We drank a beer, shot the crap for a while because we're both local guys. And then I left. So most of my time, I think I spent more time at his house chewing the fat than I did scrapping today. So that doesn't always happen, but when it does, it's pretty cool. I just got the blinking lights. I'm gonna pull off, see what I got for weight. Gets you in and out super quick. That's what I like about it. Super quick, in and out, in and out. Not too bad. AIC Recycling LLC, 9733 Blackwell Road, Southeast, Leland, North Carolina. Come see these guys. They're awesome. In and out. So I went out today about, I guess, 11 o'clock. I had a few addresses wrote down like you've seen on that paper in this video. And I didn't even get all my addresses done before I was full and had to head to the scrapyard. So before I came here, of course, I took off cords. I took the silver boards off of the stoves because there's silver in every stove. Tin Man Scrapper, he'll show you that kind of stuff. And for just a short period of time, I mean, I was home by 2:30. I had somebody working for me at the house. $94.40, and that was just straight steel. There was no aluminum, no nothing, just straight steel. So, and they told me that there's more money in heavier steel. So I just learned something new today since I've been bringing back my rotors and rear ends and everything basically for the same price, because I didn't know there was different prices. I'm new to this, so I'm learning. I'm just learning. That's why I say I'm not making these videos trying to teach people things about scrapping. I'm just learning myself. So I only live, literally, I make couple turns off of this road right here and I'm home. So that's one thing I like about this scrapyard. And the other scrapyards are another 5 miles from here in heavy traffic over across the bridge into Wilmington. So this is convenient. I don't know if I'm getting the very best price, but I think for the few cents that I might be missing, if I am at all, I'm gonna go to the closest one to me. And like I say, I try to get most of the goodness off. I did let a flat screen TV go today, only because it had been laying on the ground for a long time. And when I picked it up and flipped it over, I could see bugs climbing behind the screen. So I was like, nah, I'm not taking that apart. Plus I have 11 of them anyways to take apart. Now, like I told you, my videos aren't of me dumpster diving or anything like that, or telling you the best things, but I will be showing as soon as I can start tearing down. I've been so busy doing just scrap metal. As soon as I can, I'm gonna have my shop set up, which I've been working on a little bit at a time, just getting started. And I'm going to have a video camera set up out there so I can show you me tearing down things and taking the goodness out of it. And like I say, I'm not gonna be out there trying to be no teacher or trainer. I just wanna be out there learning. So I'm gonna be learning as I take stuff apart. Not to mention learning from these other great YouTubers out there. So go watch the Tin Man. He's awesome. And that's where I learned a lot about the smaller things. Even the little brass clips, I mean, a little bit of everything. And I save everything now due to that. I used to just save cords and motors. And now I save literally every clip every little piece of brass that I can get. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy my channel. As I grow, we'll grow together. And like I said, again, like I said in one of the, maybe the earlier part, I'm doing this because my health is getting a little bit worse, and I've been a roofer all my life, and I'm not going to be able to do much roofing anymore. So I'm going to start a channel. Hopefully I can make something from it. Hopefully I can make something of it. And keep watching. I'll do the best I can to make them interesting. I'm going to be doing everything from collecting the metal, to bringing it to the scrapyard, to tearing down my individual things, whether it be a motor, a transformer, a VCR, flat screen TV, anything that I can get into my shop. Computers like crazy, I'm gonna tear down a bunch of them. That's the kind of videos I'm gonna make. And then I'm gonna make it a little more interesting. I'm gonna make it a little bit more interesting by melting down my copper and turning it into bars. So I have a lot of growing to do, and I have the rest of my life to do it. So hope you like my channel. I'm going to try to keep it going from now on. Scrapping with Grandpa. I'll see you on the next video.